ready for our trip to Rome in a few weeks. We are going to Denny's Vineyard in Ronda, North Carolina, where they are having their 14th annual Italian festival. So we're going to get to try out some wine and hopefully some little Italian
some
food
cheese.
and cheese. And maybe when we get done, we'll be fluent in Italian.
Yeah, maybe.
So
Maybe.
that's what we're doing. We have the brand new, just released yesterday, iPhone 11 Pro Max. We're going to be comparing this footage to our GoPro Hero 7. We're going to see if it's really the GoPro killer that they're claiming it is.